Dear student, today we will do experiment in this lab, physics lab, to know the time period of simple pendulum. Okay, what do you mean by time period? Time period is time taken to complete one oscillation. Okay, so this is simple pendulum. This is stand. The thread is there in which this bob is hanging, freely suspended. You can see here. This is the mean position. Okay, and we will stretch it. How much distance it will move? Okay, for example, we will stretch it, keep it at A point, and when I will release, it will go to the other side, to the B point. Okay, so we will observe the time taken to complete one oscillation. For that we will do how many oscillations? Say 20 oscillations. Okay, so for every 20 oscillation, how much time it is taking, we will record in the lab manual, practical file you have with you, and in that we will write in the correct format aim. What is the aim? To find the time period of simple pendulum. Apparatus means material required. What are the materials which are required to perform this activity or experiment? We will write under the heading apparatus. So stand, thread, bob, stopwatch, or you can use wristwatch to find the time, to observe the time, how much it is taking for the number of oscillations. Similarly, theory is the time period, is the time taken to complete one oscillation, and the procedure, how we are doing step by step, you can write in 4 or 5 lines, points. Like we hold the bob, stretch it and release it, and count the number of oscillations and the time taken, and record in the observation table. This is observation table. Here you can see that you can write the serial number 5 times you are taking, for example, and 20 oscillations, and how much time it is taking for each 20 oscillation you will record here. We will treat it as T1, T2 time period. It will be calculated by dividing the time taken by the total number of observations. Okay, so let us do this, and after this you can calculate the average time period, and then you will write the result and precautions as you are aware of the format. Okay, so we will start this experiment. Now holding this bob from the mean position, stretching it from this point to C point to say A point. Now I will release it. While releasing, making sure that it is not hitting the stand. So we will start and observe the time. Okay, how much time it is taking for 20 oscillations. So I am going to start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it has taken 27 seconds. So I will note down for this 27 seconds. Now again we will repeat the same for next other 20 oscillations. Let's see how much time it is taking this time. Okay, so be ready for that, and you can record the timing. Sorry, like that. Okay, so I will start again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so it was 28 seconds it has taken. I will write here 28 seconds. Okay, now again we will do the same activity. Let's see how much time it takes this time. Okay, so we can do like this. So now again we are doing third time. Let's start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So 25 second, right? So it has taken 25 second. I will write down 25 seconds. So you have to ensure while counting, and air resistance should be avoided, fan should be off so that least disturbance is there. Okay, then you can observe the time. Okay, let us do 3 times is over now. 2 more times let us do to find the average time period. Okay. So when it is going from A point to B point and coming back, then one oscillation is taken. Okay, half plus half. Now let us start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 29 seconds it has taken. I will write down 29 seconds. So again, last time we will do the same. Let us and count observe the time taken. To find the time period of simple pendulum, this is the length of the thread. Okay, so you can also calculate time period T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G later on in by using the other method, but here you can find by using this time taken to complete one oscillation. Now again we are starting this. Okay, be ready. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how much time it has taken? I will write down from here. Is 30. I think this was not taken correctly. Let us do again. Okay. Okay. Now again. Okay, we will do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now this is okay. 28 seconds. So we will write down our observation is taken here 28 seconds. Now after filling this detail, how much time it has taken for each 20 time we have written. Now time period T1, T2, T5 you can calculate and find the average of T1 to T5 dividing by 5 as 5 times observation was taken. Okay, so we will do that. So we can do the calculation, and after that we will put the values. We have done T1, T2 after dividing for like first reading 27 by 20, like that 28 by 20, and all we have calculated T1, T2 up to T5, and we found the average. Okay, so the time period will be dividing this total 6.85 by 5 as we have taken 5 observations, and this comes out to 1.37 second. So we will write in the result that it is taking 1.37 second for one oscillation, means it is going from A point and it is coming back to this point. How much time it is taking? 1.37 second is the average time period. So this is the experiment, and you can write the precautions. Only 3 points you have to write in the precaution, like take the reading properly, okay, hold the bob and observe the time, read correctly, count the number of observation, like that you can write the precautions for the correctly observing, doing the experiment, and without harming the apparatus or anybody else. Right? I hope it is clear to you. All of you write in your notebook in the lab manual and draw the diagram to calculate the time period of simple pendulum like this. Okay? Thank you very much.